he proceeded to show me a lot of cash, like bundles of cash. And some of it he just tore up and animatedly spoke, and I had no idea what was going on. He also showed to a woman and then showed to me, and then, did that. And, I thought, I don't know what's going on with this oak. And then I started talking the couple of words that I knew, like barku, that's boat. And I tried to show this guy we need to get back to our boat, because we knew that our German friends would be worried by then. But no, he didn't want to hear anything at all. So this woman shoved me into a shower, sort of, and showed me to just shower myself, which I did. And then we were off again into town, and we started walking, and there were heaps of people around. And then later I saw in a pub that Brazil was playing international soccer. So that explained that. And everywhere we go, this guy was just Afrika du Sur, Nelson Mandela, Afrika du Sur. It was as if though we were paraded. It was actually quite funny. So they eventually said it was 11, 12 o'clock at night, and I just tried to tell this guy, we need to go home, man. And he didn't want to hear anything of it at all. So we ended up spending the night. And then the next morning, he told a person, which I then found out was his chauffeur, to just take us back to the boat. Now, that was our kidnapping in Brazil.